Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to our science lesson for today. Today we will start chapter 7, lesson 3. Okay, now show me your book, science book, and open page 278. So, lesson 3 is talking about what are some weather patterns. Okay, let's see what the meaning of weather patterns. A perfect pattern. Weather can change from hour to hour. Weather is not the same all the time. It changes from hour to hour and from a day to day. Okay? So, weather is not the same all day or all the week. Okay? Weather can change from hour to hour and from day to day. It changes in a pattern. So, what the meaning of weather pattern? Weather pattern is a weather change that repeats over and over. Repeats over and over. Okay, let's see what the meaning. Oh, what is the first part of the day? We call it morning. Gentle morning. The sun is low in the sky. It's just starting to warm earth. The air is still cool, so the first part of the day we call it morning, okay? So the sun appears low in the sky and the air is still cool. We call it morning, okay? So the morning is the first part of the day, okay? The sun is low in the sky and the air is still cool, okay? Let's see the second part. Second part of the day. Afternoon so bright. The sun is high in the sky. It has warmed earth and the air. Okay? So the air will not be cool. So it's warm. When does the sun appear highest in the sky? When? In the morning or afternoon? The highest? Yeah. Here, see? The highest in the sky. We call it in afternoon. Okay? So, in the afternoon, the weather will be the warmest part of the day. The warmest part. So, the warmest part in the day we call it in afternoon. Okay, the sun has been warming earth all day. Okay, so here the second part of the day we call it afternoon. Okay, the sun is high in the sky. It has warmed earth and the air. Okay, so why is afternoon the warmest part of the day? Because the sun has been warming earth all day. Okay, let's see number 3. Evening. Oh, what is the third part of the day called? Evening. Okay, the sun is setting. It no longer warms earth as much. The air is cooling. So in this part of the day, evening, see here, in the evening, the third one, the air is cooling. Okay, and the sun is setting. Okay, so the air is cooling and the sun is setting. Okay, this one is the third part of the day. Okay, so let's see the next one. All nightfall. At night we cannot see the sun. Yeah, at night we cannot see the sun. The air is cooler, right? So at night we cannot see the sun. The air is cooler. Tomorrow the pattern will begin again. Okay, so at night the air is colder, okay, and we cannot see the sun. Let's see this question. Why is night the coolest time of day? Why? Why night is the coolest time of day? Yeah, why? Because the sun is not shining and does not warm the land. So the sun will go and we cannot see the sun, so the sun is not shining. So the weather will be cold and doesn't warm the land. Okay? What part of the day follows night? After 9, which part of the day will follow? Yeah, morning. After night, the morning will come again. Okay? So the weather pattern will begin again every day. Okay? So here, what are the 4 parts of the day in order, beginning with morning? Let's see what are the 4 parts. See here, the 4 parts of the day. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, morning, first one, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Again, morning, afternoon, evening, night. So what are the 4 parts of the day in order? We will start from the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, again, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, let's see this one. How does your answer show there is a pattern? How can we know that there is a pattern? The cycle starts all over again the next day when morning follows night. So it's like a cycle. Okay, we will start from the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. After night, it will be again, start again, morning, afternoon, evening, night, and again morning, afternoon, evening, night. So every day we will start again. Okay, from the morning, the afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, so now we know the 4 parts of the day. Okay, in order, starting from morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And now we know which part of the day is the coolest one and the warmest one. The warmest one is the afternoon. It's the warmest part of the day. And evening, okay, so evening is the, let's see together, evening, the air is just cooling, okay, because the sun is setting. But at night, it's the coolest time of the day, at night, okay, because the sun is not shining anymore. Okay, so now all of us knows the 4 parts of the day. Okay, and every day we will start again all the parts of the day. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson for today. Okay, so see you next time and have a good day. Bye.